Have you ever stumbled across something so bizarre, so out of this world, that it stops you dead in your tracks? Last night, I found a creature that's got me questioning everything I know about nature. A tiny, mysterious gray bumblebee. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes as we unravel the enigma of this adorable silver screen insect that crawled right into my life. Trust me, you won't believe what I discovered, and I need your help to help solve this mystery. Picture this. I'm chilling on the couch with my dog Mika, just winding down after a long day. Mika's my loyal sidekick, but she's got a bit of a vendetta against stinging insects. When she was a pup, she stuck her nose into a hornet's nest, and you can imagine how that went. A couple of stings later, she's been on a mission ever since. If there's a wasp or a bee nearby, she's either trying to snatch it out of the air or giving it a good boop with her nose. It's the one grudge she holds, and it's honestly hilarious. Last night, though, Mika was acting different. She kept hopping on and off the couch, pointing her nose at something crawling across the floor. I'm thinking, oh boy, here we go, another bug she's about to declare war on. But instead of her usual boop and snap routine, she was gentle. Like, weirdly gentle. No chomping, no nose boops, just pure curiosity. That's when I knew something was up. I squint through the dim light of the living room, and there it is. A small, gray mass inching across the floor. My first thought was, is that a moth? It's all gray, maybe it's just covered in dust. So I grabbed a piece of cardboard to scoop it up, and guys, I damn near dropped it. It wasn't a moth. It was a bumblebee. But not just any bumblebee, a two-toned gray bumblebee. Let me paint a picture for you. This wasn't your typical chunky bumblebee with those comically tiny wings that make you wonder, how the hell does it even fly? This one was smaller than the classic bumblebee, but bigger than honeybee, and it was gray. Like straight out of a silent film, black and white movie gray. In my 40+ years of gardening, and just being obsessed with nature, I've never seen anything like this. Have you? Drop a comment below if you've ever spotted a gray bumblebee. I'm dying to know. I brought this little guy outside to get a better look under the last of the setting sun's golden rays. It was slowly crawling across my hand, and I was snapping pictures like my life depended on it. I mean, when you find a creature that looks like it wandered out of a 1920s film reel, you document it. I must have taken 50 pictures or more, and I've posted every single one on my website. The link is in the description. Go check them out and let me know what you think. Now, here's where the plot thickens. I scoured the internet for answers, Google forums, you name it. The only clue I found was an old Reddit post from someone in Sweden who found a gray bumblebee years ago. No explanation, just a bunch of comments cracking jokes like, it ran out of toner, or it's a shiny bumblebee. I got a good laugh, but it didn't help. The one thing everyone agreed on, this little bee was the most adorable thing they'd ever seen. And I totally agree. It's like a tiny, cuddly miracle. So here I am holding this gray bumblebee, and I'm left with more questions than answers. Why is it gray? Is it a rare species? A genetic quirk? Did it roll around in some ash and decide to go full monochrome? I don't know, but now I'm obsessed. This is where you come in. I'm turning to you, the amazing YouTube community, to help me crack this case. If you're a bug expert, a nature nerd, or just someone with wild guesses, drop it in the comments. Let's figure out what makes this little bee so special. Before you go, hit that like button if you're as charmed by this gray bumblebee as I am, and subscribe for more wild adventures in gardening. You'll never know what I'll stumble across next. Maybe a neon green dragonfly or a polka dot caterpillar. Check out the photos on my website, share this video with your friends, and let's get to the bottom of this mystery together. I will be posting the second video of this little cutie very soon. As I watched this little gray bumblebee crawl across my hand, I couldn't help but feel like I've been given a front row seat to something truly magical. Nature's full of surprises, and this tiny creature reminded me to keep my eyes open and my heart curious. Thanks for joining me on this 8-minute journey. Let's keep exploring the wonders of the world together. See you in the next video.